Welcome back. In this video clip, I'm going to show you guys how we can better organize the model data so that we can easily select certain elements we want or just want to view certain elements meeting certain criteria. So this model that we published, and here in this model data organization tree, we can select different types of model organization method by categories. So this is default, so you can see doors, floors, structural columns, structural connections, etc. And if we organize the model data by level, you can see this is the level that we created in Revit. And if you expand the first floor, that is organized by doors, floors, walls, etc. They're also by unit format. So this is the organization by unit format. We can also create our own group. So for example, we would like to organize by this by level and by material. So that's the name we're going to use. Level. That's the primary organization, and then under the level we are going to organize by material. Then create. So you can see this tree has been already changed or updated. So under level 1 you can see those are organized by material, since level 1 has some concrete material. So all the elements that are in concrete, that will be assigned in this corresponding tree. Alright, so by using this approach, we can easily select certain model objects. And also we can use some other rules to help us to filter out some model data meeting certain criteria. We have to click the model tree right over here. And under that, there's a visibility setting. Then we can pick this structure model. This is the model that we're using right now, and this is the only model we have. The rule that I'm going to use is going to be, and we just want to show structural columns. And we want this to with certain property with the material, structure material, and the values are populated automatically, and we're going to just show the concrete cast in place. Then we're going to update. So now those are elements that meet the criteria that we specified in visibility setting. Alright, that's it for this video clip.